Okay, it's Sunday, May 18th, and just gonna go over what I see for this right now, and really going into tomorrow, and we'll see for the week. I'm not gonna go over the strategic today. Market strategically still in a bull market. Obviously, in a tactical sense, though, we've basically been uh, in a sideways pattern, and I'll start here with the S&P. So here's the S&P. As you can see, I mean, basically since March, we've just been in this. We've tried to break out on the upside, get slammed back down, tried to break down the downside, get pop back into this range. Again, the same thing happened last week where we looked like market wanted to go higher, and then it got slammed right back down into this range. So, and then all the doom and gloomers came out on Thursday. Oh, here we go, this is it. And what happens Friday? We get a little bit of a bounce back, sort of to the middle of the range. So, uh, I had a bearish setup in the MXRS on Tuesday, so that down move wasn't really a surprise to me. It kind of made sense. That being said, that got we're back sort of in a neutral type environment for the S&P. What I did notice though in the Nasdaq, again, same thing. We're kind of building this pattern here, sort of the sideways pennant type pattern, and we're going to see whether it's a continuation pattern. So that means we're going to break down below this. If we break below Thursday's low, that means that look out below. We could be heading a bit lower here. But that being said, I do have a bullish MXRS setup, and that's very rare. I mean, I've had a bullish MXRS setup going into Monday of last week. The market rallied. Then I had a bearish MXRS setup on it was Tuesday, and sure enough, we came off. And so we'll see if this bullish MXRS works, or it's a false pattern and we do break lower. But right now I'm sort of forced to play, looking for some buying opportunities, especially in NASDAQ stocks. And lo and behold, I did get a few setups going into tomorrow. So let me go over those now, and then yeah, so right here is a chart. So I actually I'm going to go over some of the stocks I did buy. I bought this stock. This is a VEEV. I don't even know what the hell they do, but as you can tell from the pattern, it's gotten crushed. And this is, again, probably one of these IPO stocks. So I see it sort of took out this level, made a higher low. I took a small position on Friday. We'll see what happens. I'll buy more above Friday's high as well, if it's any good. I'm in Q Core. I've been in this, playing this one since it broke above here. Kind of sold most of it on this day, and then it kind of did a sideways pattern. I bought it, started buying it back on Thursday. I kind of got whipsawed on Thursday. The market was very weak, but this was very strong. But I just, it was a weak hand. So, but I still ended up with a few shares, and it had a nice run into Friday. We'll see if they can take out these highs from the prior week. But this is probably one of the strongest stocks of last week. Another strong stock as of late, which has been a beaten down one as well, is Netflix. And I bought Netflix last week on this day. Sold it. I believe I sold it out. Anything I had left on Thursday. Market got real weak, but Netflix has been a champ, and look at it, it's right back looking to break these highs. So I'm just going to have to buy it back above these highs right here. We'll see if that happens tomorrow, and if so, I'll buy it back. And like I said, higher low. So it looks like we'll see if money comes back into these beaten down type stocks. Another one is Tesla. I haven't been in, but I got a little level to buy, which is Thursday's high. Look at a little volatility set up here, so I'll buy above that. Uh, it's still in a downtrend, so I'm kind of cheating here, but we'll see. That's just something that I'll looking to try to get into. Uh, I got a long list here of stuff. I mean, LinkedIn even. I have a cheat level in here. Uh, basically on Thursdays, above Thursday's high, might be worth a shot, even though it's not the greatest pattern. What we really need to see is get above these levels here with this 153 and change. But I'll take a shot above Thursday's high, and we'll see if they, really need it to power through and don't want to take any heat on any of this stuff. I'm going to go through here. Let's go over another one. This is an IPO to GoGo. I mean, I'll buy a little bit above Friday's high. Not the greatest pattern, but again, it looks like it. If they come for these stocks, they should all go up. One fell swoop. So again, I'm not going to be. If they buy them, I'm not going to take much pain. I'll get out of them if they don't work. FireEye is another one. Again, this thing's been the real crapper, but I'll buy above these levels here. If they get above here, I'll buy it. Looking for a real quick move. Dexcom, I have no idea. I think this may be a biotech. I'm not sure, but it's cool. Sort of breaks above these levels. I'll buy that as well. Another one of these crappy stocks, CSOD, same thing. Gets above, I'll buy it. Another NASDAQ stock. This pattern actually looks somewhat interesting. It gapped up above here, kind of retraced, didn't go all the way back to fill the gap, came back up. This stock looks like it definitely wants to go potentially higher, especially if they take out. And this actually looks interesting too here. If they take out this level, it means it gets above this little down sloping trend, and that could add fuel to the fire here. CTRX. This is a biotech stock. Actually looks very interesting here, and same thing. Biotech has been beaten down, but this actually looks somewhat strong. Has held up quite well in this latest death spiral. I'm going to buy above this high here if it gets above the 210 level, ACT, and really look for it to get above the 213 level, and then that they wanted to try to get back to these 230s within a few days, weeks, whatever. So that looks interesting. In the same vein as FireEye is this rocket fuel. I think they're sort of in the same space, and you can see this same thing just got crushed. So I'll buy above this high. I'm not going to hold it long if they throw it in my face, but something that I'm going to be in. VMware, another one. I bought it actually last week. Kind of didn't do anything. Kind of had a scratch out of it, but I'll buy it again if it gets above that level. And not the greatest trade, but again, we'll see. This AbbVie, again, this is really not a tech stock deal, but this is actually sort of these value drug stocks. I already own this. I'll buy some more if it gets above that level. Here's a biotech SLXP, not as good as ACT, but I'll buy above that level there. Monster Beverage, something happened here these 2 days. It kind of holding in quite well. I'll buy above that level. MDVN is another drug biotech stock. Again, not the greatest, but if they come for these stocks, this should benefit. Hershey, again, not really in the space, but it has a little interesting pattern here. I'll buy some more. So that's it. It's been a while since I had this many setups. Doesn't mean that anything's gonna happen. I could get in it and then they put it right back in my face. So I gotta be quick to get out of this crap. But that's what I got, and we'll see what happens tomorrow. Really looking for tomorrow to be the day. If it is, if it's not, we could go lower, and then I'll be getting out of these things. So that's all I got. Take care.